Just the name of this dessert says enough. Learn how to make a fluffy frozen peanut butter pie for a scrumptious treat with the help of this recipe. In a bowl, add the cream cheese and beat until soft and fluffy. Add in the powdered sugar and peanut butter, then beat until evenly incorporated. Slowly beat in the milk, then add the Cool Whip and continue beating. Into a prepared graham cracker pie crust, pour the mixture and spread evenly. Sprinkle some chopped peanuts and shaved milk chocolate on top before setting aside in a chilled area. Serve and enjoy! Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.